Hello guys, welcome to another session. In this session, we are going to learn about targeting multiple elements. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code and then we will understand the topic. So we are into the Visual Studio Code and here you will find that we have a same setup, whatever the setup which we have used earlier, where we are having this HTML document and where we are using two dev element. One is with ID header and then we have the paragraph tag and then we have some span tag. And now we will write some CSS to understand the topic targeting multiple elements in CSS. So to understand this topic, you have to just consider a scenario where we are having a requirement where client wants all the text of this web page to be the same. So what does it mean? So it means that we have to make a rule for each of the div tag, p tag, a tag, span tag, li tag, and possibly more if you have different variations, if you have more tags, and you have to style the same. So how you can do this? So we have an option like this. To provide the formatting, we can write the selectors, and here we will tell that font size should be 10 pixel, color we can say that blue. We can add more, so for example we can say that font weight bold, font family be Arial, and we can repeat the same. This is one of the option we can use. So here we will tell that okay, this is going to be for div also, for li also. We can tell like this, as well as a span also. So one for a span as well, we can write a span. Now let's look at the output now. So for output, select this HTML page, press F1, click on this. It will open a new browser. It will ask to open a new browser. So open in browser. So it applied the consistent styling for these of the tag, the paragraph tag and the span tag and the li tag. This is one of the way by which we can provide the solution. However, this is not the perfect solution to be proposed to the client. So here the question is, what is the perfect solution for such scenario? But prior to discussing about the solution, let's discuss about what is the problem with this solution. If you closely look into that, then you will find that there are so much of repetition of the code. And suppose a scenario, if any change coming in your way, then you have to do the changes in all the selectors. That is really a pain and it is very time consuming. And the second problem which you will face over here is that the size of the CSS file is getting increased and it is going to be very difficult to manage when projects grows. And another problem which you will face that the browser load time is getting increased due to size of the CSS file. So you must be asking that what is the solution? The solution is pretty much very straightforward. Just delete this one. What we will do, we will write all the selectors with the comma separated. So we need to tell that we want to apply this rule for div as well, for anchor tag as well, for li tag as well, and span as well. Now save it and just look into the browser now. So if you look into the browser, then you will find that it has applied the rule, the same rule for the p tag, li tag, span tag, anchor tag, and the div as well, because we have provided the div. So this way we can target multiple elements by writing single declaration for multiple selectors. So see here, you will find that we have one declaration, one rule for all these selectors. We are using here 5 selectors and all these selector is applying these rules. So by this way you can target multiple elements for a styling in CSS. So this is what I wanted to demonstrate you in this session. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.